Moving on, Mumbai is all set for the high-stakes 2026 BMC elections, and voters will elect corporators to govern one of Asia's richest civic bodies. On the 15th of January, thousands of young Mumbaikars will head to the polling booths for the very first time, bringing with them fresh expectations and concerns. A lot of them who are first-time voters have a host of demands, ranging from better roads and public transport to improved health care, education and civic services. Voting will be held across all 227 wards of Mumbai. The election will also span 20 other municipal corporations in Maharashtra, making it one of the largest civic election exercises in the state. Political parties are precisely banking on these voters to grab a chance at winning the polls. Last month, the Thackeray brothers, Uddhav and Raj, announced to fight the polls together after nearly 2 decades. Beyond's principal correspondent Disha Yadav hit the streets of Mumbai to catch up with some of the city's first-time voters and gauge their expectations. Take a look.
It feels like we're bringing change to our life because as people who have just turned into adults, we still haven't gotten the taste of being an adult, and this is like a moment where we step into it and we take up this responsibility, and it's also essentially helping us in the long run as we realize the importance of democracy, as well as knowing our rights, as well as knowing who we choose to represent us. Also, it acts as a lesson to our lives. It adds a value to our life because it really helps us choose the people who we will be looking up to in the coming years.
We also asked these young voters about their expectations from politicians and what are the issues that must be immediately addressed. Take a look.
The amount of buildings that are going into redevelopment at the same time is causing the AQI to go higher and higher. The road conditions are really bad. Plus they're cutting down the mangroves, which is really bad for the environment, and I don't support that at all. So yeah, I would like that to change.
Absolutely, a good point. I think traffic, because the number of accidents that are increasing is really alarming. Day by day, it just keeps increasing, and even the pollution because of traffic is really bad for your health. So I think that should be really improved.